Hello everyone, welcome to part 3 of our Creating TicTacToe in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript series. In part 2, we learned we added some jQuery in JavaScript, and we did everything except for finding the winner, so this is how it looks like so far. Alright, that's how it looks like so far. So today, what we'll be doing is we're going to allow the computer to find the winner, and we'll highlight the pieces that are the winning pieces. Alright, so let's get started. But before we go along, there's a piece of code that I wrote that I forgot to add in the last video. So just add this if statement and put what we wrote last time inside of it. So if cell.attribute data piece is equal to blank, then do all of this, just so that it's not possible to change an X to an O by clicking on it twice. Yeah, I forgot to add that last video, but it's pretty simple to understand. So now we're going to add another function in order to find the winner. So function find winner, no parameters, and then inside of this if statement at the very bottom we're going to say find winner, so that every time the player clicks and he places a new piece, then it'll see if then the program will see if there's a winner. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to say if the element with the ID of 0 dot attribute data piece is equal to the element with the ID of 1 dot attribute data piece and let's just copy this. We can copy that entire thing. And the element with the ID of 0 is equal to the element with the ID of 2 dot data piece. Then we are going to actually, we need one more thing. And this is not equal to blank. So if all three of those are the same thing and it's not blank, then what we're going to do is we're going to highlight all three of those. So zero dot CSS color comma red. Then we can do that for 1 and 2. And so we're just going to do this manually 8 times because there are 8 different solution sets. There are the 3 horizontal, the 3 vertical, and the 2 diagonal. So that adds up to 8. So let's just test this right quick. Let's see if this works. X, X, X. Alright. Let's try O's, O's, O, O. Alright, so the first row works. We can just copy this 8 times, or 7 more times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we can just change the values. So for this one, we're going to make it the second row, so that's 3. All 3 of these become 3, and that one, This one becomes 4. This one becomes 5. This becomes 4. This becomes 5. Let's test this. X, X, X. Perfect. O, O, O. Perfect. Alright. Now to this one. This is just going to be the third row. So 6. It's going to be 6. This is going to be 7. This is going to be 8. 7 and 8. X, X, X. Oh, looks like we made an error. X, X, X. Let's see if the other works. Alright, that works. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see. Where's the error? Oh, I just forgot to save it. That's why. Alright, let's test it. X, X, X. Alright. X. Oh. Okay. So now let's just do this next one. This one will be the first column, so those zeros will stay the same. This will be 3, and this will be 6. This will be 3, and this will be 6. So let's test it. Okay. Perfect. Alright, second column. All 3 of these will be 1, and this one. This will be 4, and this will be 7. 4 and 7. And then we can just test it at the end. 2, 2, 2. This one will be 2 as well. 5 and 8. 5 and 8. Now these two are going to be the diagonal ones, so it's going to be 1, or no, not 1. This is going to be 0, so we can just leave all 3 of those the same. This is going to be 4, and this is going to be 8. 4 and 8. And then this will be 2, 2, and 2. This will be 4 and 6. 2, 4, 6. Alright, so let's just see if these work. Alright, that works. That one works. Alright. All of these solutions work, but there is a glaring issue. We can see that both players seem to be able to win. So let's create a variable called var is winner equals false. And then we can say if, no, we don't need that. We can just say, go down here. Actually, yeah, let's do this. If is winner if not is winner. Tab that, and then just do control and then the right curly bracket, and then we can do that for all of these. So let me just copy this. And then we need to set isWinner to true inside of all of these. So isWinner is equal to true. Copy this, just copy it into the rest. Alright, let's see if this works. Alright, so it doesn't identify that that's a winning solution, but it still allows you to play there. So a way we can easily fix this is just copy this, move it all the way to the top, and then we can say if isWinner we can just say if not isWinner. Alright, perfect. Okay, so that is it for part 3. Thank you for watching. In our next part, we can add a restart button and a few other features. Just put it into the comments what features you guys would like to see, and then we can implement those in our next tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please like and please subscribe.